dress for my aunt's birthday party, and I ordered something on Amazon, but I didn't like how it looked with the shoes I bought. And the dress looks too formal, like I'm going to a wedding and the party's actually at a lounge. So I just picked out a few dresses to see what would look good on me, but I think I'm gonna go with this brown two-top dress that I bought. This is cute. I like the open back. I saw something similar on Amazon. A dress or a shirt? I'm trying to figure that out. Because this would look too short on me, honestly. Way too short. And like Rainbow's a great place if you want to go, like if you're going on a last minute vacation and you want to look for something real bright and colorful like this. I mean, I wouldn't wear these pants on vacation. Like if they had a dress like this, I would wear it. And like this is great to wear if you're on a cruise or something, and it's real flowy. Like I have dresses like these, like in different patterns, like something different. And then, oh, I saw this on Amazon, and these types of dresses are so hard to find, like the dress with the drawstrings. Like, I love these types of dresses. I think they're so cute. I could have bought a pair of sandals, just save it for later, but they have a great selection of sandals if you want to check them out. Like, look, I don't know how to turn the camera. Girl, I spend $30 on some sandals when you could just go to Rainbow and pick out whatever style you want. A lot of dupes in Rainbow, like Bottega dupes. So like if you really don't want to break your bank, you want to buy like, you want to get like some dupes of certain shoes, like this is like a Gucci dupe. Like those gummy Gucci sandals that people were debating on buying last year. And then like there's some, I don't see a lot of the Bottega dupes here, but there's some I've seen in like Florida and all that other stuff. So I just finished buying everything. I only spent like $43, which is not that bad, considering I spent more in Rainbow. So I just finished shopping. I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna try on some of the dresses and see how they look. And I'll be right back with that. Okay, so I just came home. I changed into like my nightgown / house clothes because I'm gonna get ready for the party soon. But let me just show you guys what I bought at Rainbow so far. This dress is given. Like, I might have to wear a strapless bra with this or maybe cups, but this dress is giving body and more body. You see, like I like how the back is cut out and it's so form-fitting. So for reference, this dress is a size small and it fits perfectly. Let me see. Yeah. All right, on to the next one. Okay, well, I'm feeling this one too. It's giving baby shower vibes. I mean, I like the fit. It fits very form-fitting. I could wear this with just a regular bra. You can also wear these types of dresses with a strapless bra if you don't want your bra strap to show. But this is also a size small. You know, just close up of the dress. Giving snatched, you know, as always. That's why I like Rainbow dresses, because it hugs your body in a certain way. So you don't have to worry about if it's gonna fit correctly or not. But yeah, this one's cute. I mean, this would be good for like casual. You can wear sneakers with this, like white ups, and you know, feel, you know, like chill. Like if you're going to like a barbecue or something, like I would wear this to like a barbecue or a walk in the park, you know, something simple. I like the purple. Once again, snug fit. It's giving snatch as well. Okay, let me stop saying snatch. But still, like, look at this. Come on. You can't go wrong with Rainbow. You can wear this with strapless bra. And let me tell you something about strapless dresses from Rainbow. Your boobs are gonna stay the whole night. Like, they're gonna stay up. They're not gonna flip-flop. They're secured. Like, I have to push my bra straps down, but your breasts are secured. Like, you have nothing to worry about that. But yeah. Once again, again, you can dress this up or dress it down. It's real casual. I love the color. Like, I don't have a lot of purple outfits, and I'm trying to incorporate a little more color in my summer wardrobe, but yes. I like this dress. It's so cute. And I think this dress was $7. I think, yeah, about $7. So yeah. Alright, so this is my first time owning like a dress or a bodysuit that's brown, but I love how this color looks on my skin, and this is the dress that I'm gonna wear to my aunt's party tonight. So like this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I gotta get this in more colors, because I've seen this one in like blue, pink, heather gray, and I think red, but this is also size small. Yeah, definitely love it. I love the fit. Real good fit. Last dress, the one with the drawstrings on the side, giving that ruched look. I don't know how to feel about it, because every time I put the drawstrings on, I'm thinking like my butt cheek's gonna fall out. So like, I'm still trying to figure out how short I want it, but I do like the fit. The fit is good. Good fit. It's just, you know, like, people think because I'm slim that I have no, but I got something going on around here. So I just gotta see how I would keep this together. Other than that, it's a good dress. Like, it fits really well. But I'm just, it's just this situation right here. I don't know what to tell y'all, but so that wraps it up for this video. If you stayed and watched the whole thing, thank you so much. I just wanted to do a quick haul video for you guys. Like, I shop at Rainbow during the summer, so it's all budget friendly, cute stuff. Like, I don't believe in spending so much money in the summer, because if you like this video, comment and subscribe. Let me know what other types of videos you want to see, and what's your favorite place to shop at during the summer. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Stuff. Like, I don't believe in spending so much money in the summer, because it's only like 3 months. Excuse me. But